Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
This next question, Robert in Phoenix on the line. I know what Farmer Greg would say, and I know what Jay Harper would say, but let's see what Justin Ronner says about this question, because it's a tricky one. Robert, go ahead.
Yeah, hey there. I've got a raised garden bed that some of the dirt was taken from the yard and put it into the raised bed, but it apparently the Bermuda grass rooting in it. Now I got the vegetation in there, artichokes, whatnot. How do I get the Bermuda grass out of there or cover it so it's not choking my plants out or making it hard to work through?
Getting rid of Bermuda grass.
Well, getting rid of Bermuda grass from a raised bed, you basically got to dig that whole thing out. All the dirt that you got in that, because it's going to be a forever problem unless you use caustic chemicals, which you probably don't want in your raised bed, which will also inhibit everything else to grow thereafter. So raised beds, by far, worst place to have grass growing in it, especially our dinosaur Bermuda grass we have here in Arizona. So that, unfortunately, I'd recommend you're going to have to dig every single bit of that root out of there before you add more soil back in.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best